G'day rock and rollers, and welcome to the most colourful channel here on YouTube. We are the Paintslingers and I'm Torbs, and this channel is all about answering your questions so that you can master the art of decorating and create the space you need for you and your family. Let's go. Alright, today's question comes from Golden to Smith on the Houzz Forums, who says, "We are building a modern farmhouse. We're doing white house with white trim. The doors and the windows are both black. My question is this. Normally you would paint the house in a satin finish and the trim in a glossy finish. But if I'm doing white on white and using the exact same color, would that look funny? Should I just do both trim and house in satin? I'm looking at photos, but the finish of the paint is tough to discern." All right, first things first, I'm going to assume that you're talking about an exterior. And in that case, there is no such thing as a glossy finish. The highest sheen level is a semi-gloss. And in that case, you could actually pick out the trim work in a semi-gloss and then painting the facade in a low sheen. That way you get a little bit more depth to the house rather than using the same sheen level on the entire house, and therefore in my opinion it would look very plain. By using different sheen levels with the same color, you're sort of adding a bit of character to it. Now, I've never seen that, but I reckon that could look pretty cool actually. So to quickly summarize, if you're going to use white on white, I would use a low sheen on the facade and a semi-gloss on the trim work. Alright, hope that short answer helped you, and we wish you the best of luck with your projects. Now don't forget to subscribe, and we'll be back next week for more questions and answers. Take care.